Hey guys, welcome back to Busch Builds. We're gonna do a cold start on my Spark here. We're gonna do a cold start again on the Bronco. We're gonna plow the snow we got last night. So thank you for watching. Like I said, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll do a cold start, warm this car up because I gotta go to my grandpa's afterwards. Let's go. Turn the heat on. Let that defrost. Nice and not too exciting with that car. That car's pretty quiet. But what I was trying to show you guys yesterday is that we do have the Bronco working. We got more snow over last night. But we did push a pile up over there. We got more snow down our driveway. So pop the hood on this, start this thing up. Do a cold start on this thing. Like I said, we gotta clean this stuff up still, but we'll get there. Try not to drop the hood on my head and hold the phone at the same time. Positive. That close up. Like I said, we were able to plow with it yesterday. It's been good on starting, so we shouldn't have too many issues. Just so you guys know, the regular, show you here. So we still have the regular ignition key that cycles everything else. What our painless switch panel is doing, it's got our fuel pump, our plow, and our computer power. So use this little gold key here for the switch panel. You'll hear the fuel pump kick on. This one's got the exhaust leak, so it's got a better cold start. But this truck always sounds like this, so make sure you can see. Do a couple passes. Like I said, it's still got bad spark plugs and stuff and a bad exhaust leak, but it does work. Truck's kind of a pain. You gotta know how to drive it right now. We'll deal with it when it's warmer. Back there, a bunch of snow in my boot. That, my Western controller. Plow blade goes up. Neighbors love dumping snow right in front of my house. Lower the plow, put it in drive. Attack from the side first and work our way over. plow back out. Typically do 3 passes just to make sure everything's clean. But it drives. Big pile right there, so I'll just clean that up real quick. problem with bad spark plugs. Alright. Yeah, heavyweight and bad spark plugs, so. Sounds pretty good. Like I said, got a hole in the exhaust, but believe that or not, it does get annoying. So we'll show you what we did real quick. Let me just put this key back on the ring so it doesn't disappear. Disconnect this battery here. Really probably don't have to disconnect the battery, but the truck doesn't run a lot, so it just keeps it. If I do have something that's taking some of the power, that'll get rid of, or it'll help eliminate the battery being dead when I need it. Just pro con of the Optima, you have to have a special charger to charge it, and I just don't have that. So, but the Optima's one of the strongest batteries you can get. So, works still, does what it's supposed to. Kind of give you a walkthrough, show it. This driveway takes about 3 hours to do with a snowblower, and it throws a bunch of rocks and gravel because this whole driveway is gravel. But we moved all that snow, well, 90% of that snow, all that snow, all this stuff on the sides, and about this, and it took me about the time of this video, so it took me about 15-20 minutes. You know, it's a little bit faster if I don't have to record, but I just kind of want to show you. The problem is we got the bar next to us, and they put all the snow right up to our driveway, so they take big chunks like that and they throw it right where we need to get our cars out. So you got big chunks like that. That's all that heavy stuff that gets packed in. So they'll come through their area, push it, and it'll all end up right in front of my area. That's all their snow. So, like I said, it is what it is. It's a mixture of them and the plow people. So, I mean, we're fortunate we have the truck. The truck does what it's supposed to now. Like I said, we got all the wiring figured out thanks to my uncle and myself. So, kind of, yeah. So, And all this stuff's gonna heat up and kind of melt a little bit anyways. But this stuff ain't light. It's not easy to move by hand. I've shoveled parts of this driveway at one point. That truck was kind of problematic last year and would work and wouldn't work. But you can tell, obviously, now that we got it working, it's a whole hell of a lot easier than trying to start a snowblower and try to push everything around. We have a set of doors coming for it. We're gonna do rockers over the summer, clean up the body, replace the spark plugs and wires first, obviously. But like I said, I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, I just went up to the back of the cars. We have a turnaround spot here I'll get later, and up there I'll get later. But I just kind of want to give you guys an update and let you know that the Bronco is still a plow. It still does plow, it still works. Like I said, just makes everything easier. I mean, this car is okay in the snow. Obviously it's gonna slide a little, it's lighter. And then that Jeep's great in the snow because it's got 4-wheel drive and select terrain and all that stuff. So if you want a video on that, let me know. That truck's got almost 10,000 miles on it now. That's the wife's car. So like I said, big driveway to do. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna go inside and warm up. Thanks guys, have a great day.